It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's keto bite: exercise and low-carb diets. All right, don't get worried about the title. This is not about exercise where you have to go out and sweat and do a bunch of pre-planned stuff. This is just about activity. Activity is going to be defined as physical activity, doing things in the physical world. Exercise is what we call when you specifically do things that aren't part of normal activity. Physical activity might include doing the dishes, doing the laundry, or if you have a rural lifestyle, baling hay, cleaning the barn, whatever. Both of these have one thing in common, though, that your body moves. If you're an exercise buff, then you're already doing this. But if you're not an exercise lover, then this concept is for you. Keep moving, or at least as much as possible. Reach up and clean the light fixtures more often. Rearrange the pots in the kitchen. Clean things. Not to clean them, but to have your body moving. You would be amazed how much it helps your body to keep moving, even if the moves aren't fancy. If you sit at a desk, try to make a game of movement. When you stand up from your desk, stand up and down a couple of times. Give your legs some exercise. Lift yourself up by your arms. When you walk to another part of your house or the building, do a couple of knee bends, or what I do is I walk funny, where I bend my knees down as I walk so that I walk low to the ground. Lean on the wall once in a while and do a push-up against the wall standing. You don't have to be down on the floor. Every one of these things helps your muscles a little bit, and it helps your circulation a lot. Motion has value. Don't underestimate the value of movement. You think just because, I'm not officially doing jumping jacks or running 20 miles, that it's not helping. It does help. The heart pumps all the time, even when you're asleep. The body was designed to move at least some of the time. You know that if you leave your car in the garage and you never run it, it's really bad for the car. You would think, I'll put my car away and I'll wrap it in plastic and it'll be exactly the same in 20 years. No, everything inside will freeze up and it'll be in really bad shape. You have to turn it on once in a while, drive it a little bit. Our bodies are the same. So don't let the fear of heavy exercise stop you from light activity because you don't think it's worthwhile. Movement is life. Just move, even if it's just get up and walk around the house. Do not be hung up on the form or the shape of the motion. You can walk around the house and swing your arms around like you're a crazy person, or dance. Walk around and sing and dance. Get the motion to happen, and your body will like it. Your weight loss will be easier and better. Your muscle tone will be better. So don't worry about being official. Just get up and move. It's actually fun. You'll enjoy it, and your body will be much better for it. And that's today's Keto Bite. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.